Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we will going to cover about Cloud Project. Now don't worry if you're totally beginner, okay, and you don't know what is the purpose of Cloud Project. So step by step in this tutorial, I will guide you with real practical examples. What is projects inside Cloud? First of all, let's understand what is projects inside your Cloud. So to be honest, from your chat bot, you can just go ahead and add a project or start this as a new project. Otherwise, you can directly just go here and you will see this option, okay, which you guys can see right over here. Okay, this option. You just need to tap here, and from here you can just start a project. And project is basically means here you can just set a custom instruction, okay. You can upload your materials, okay. So what it does is that, suppose sometimes whenever we are dealing with a chat, so it's a normal conversation based chat, perfect. But sometimes what we want is that we want a particular chat should focus on a particular topic, okay. So in such case we use the concept of project. So we can create separate project for separate tasks, okay. So this is where it's very useful. For example, let's say you want to learn maths, or maybe you want to do some of your online course project. So you can separate them both inside separate project, and you can set custom instruction that for this particular project, this is the tone I want, or this is how you have to behave, this is the rule you have to follow, okay. So that is the projects, okay. Now by default, if you will going to see here, so project, it simply means is that you can see it's like your workspace, okay. So if you are not sure that in chat gpt, if you will going to open your chat gpt, we have something known as custom gpts, okay. So you can think the cloudy is like your own custom gpt which you will be able to build, okay. And the cloudy has basically named this as a project, okay. And this is where you can just provide, like, custom instructions, separate roles, goals, all such things, okay. Let's see that step by step. So suppose in the file you can just follow me, or you can just create your own project. So here I have provided you these instructions, okay. You can just open this instruction. So let's say the very first file will be, okay, about teacher, okay. So I will just going to create a new project, and this project will be, let's say, about uh, maths sums, okay. So let's say I want to create this project, and I want to deal with the maths sums, okay. So for that I'm creating this separate project, okay. So for example, here, I will use it to solve algebraic equations, okay. Wait, perfect. Just click on create project, and you will going to see we have this chat. Now it's a normal chat, you can just do same thing, like you can attach the files like we do in the cloudy, but now this is the chat is specifically for maths algebra, okay. And here you can see we can put the instruction. So we want that whenever cloudy will going to give instruction here to us, so it should follow some rules and regulations, some patterns, some context, okay. Like I have taught you in the prompt engineering, okay. So we want to give it instruction that it should follow. So I will just going to click on this plus button, and this is the place where you have to put your instructions, okay. So for example, here you can see this is the instruction I have. You can just copy this as well, I provided you this file, okay, and you can paste it here. So in this custom instruction, I'm saying that you are a maths teacher helping a beginner student. So I've added the role, remember, prompt engineering elements, okay. So student information I've given that the student for the class 10. Okay, he's weak in maths, get confused easily, one simple explanation. Okay, now what are the rules, or I can say instructions to follow? Remember, in prompt I taught you about the instructions. Okay, so these are the instructions this particular project has to follow. Like it has to explain, like teaching 15 years old kid, use a simple example, always give a step by step solution, give one real life example, keep the answer short. Perfect. And this is the goal I added. You can add as many as thing. Okay, so this is just an example. So I'm just saying to Cloudy bot that you have to follow these instructions while you give the response here in the chat. Okay, you always have to see this instruction, then only you have to give me the answer. So I will just going to click on save instructions, and it will do. And for some reason, if you have some files and documents which you also want to consider for Cloudy before it gives you the answer, then you can attach it here. For example, I provided you some of the file. This one you can see maths file. Okay, so I just in this txt file I just provided it as the example of the output, how I want the example to be. Okay, so let's go to the file. Okay, and just upload it from your device, and this is where you have to select that file. Let's say just double tap, and it will just going to upload for you. Okay, wait. Okay, perfect. Now once it's done, okay, now what you can do is that you can just go ahead and start the chat. Okay, wait. Mm-mm. Okay, so let's say I can ask first of all, hey, explain me the concept. Now you will going to notice one thing. I have not yet taught this project what the concept is all about, but now we have just given it the instruction about the algebra and all. Okay, so automatically it will understand that. Now if I, let's say, click on send button, now you will going to notice it has automatically got the idea about the algebra. Why? Because the project was created for the algebra purpose. So even I have just mentioned here, hey, help me with this concept. So it has automatically used the brain that, okay, currently this project is created for the algebra. So automatically it has given us the response like this. Perfect. Okay, now you can see, now you try. Okay, so hint, subtract 7 from both sides. So let's say 10 minus 7. So let's say I give answer is 3 question mark. And now you will going to see it will just going to help me with my algebra. Not quite. Let's try together. Solving x plus 7. Okay, um, equals to 10. So step 1, write the equation. You can see remove 7 from both sides. So you can see x plus 7 minus 7, 10 minus 7. So simplicity, x equals to 3. Wait, let's check. Okay, step 4, put 3 back. 3 plus 7, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. Actually, you were right. Okay, x equals to 3 is correct. I'm sorry for the confusion. Okay, great job. Okay, want to try a slightly harder one? Yes, I want to try. So you can see now this project we created is specifically for this algebra purpose. Now here I cannot do some other things. Okay, so let's say here another equation it has given. Let's say x plus so it will be 28 minus 15. Okay, uh, so it will be like this. Okay, 13, I guess. Sorry, let's see if that is the answer. By the way, I am bad in maths. Okay, let's see. So Cloud is perfect. You got it 100% right. Perfect. Now this is related to algebra. Now let's see if we try to ask it some other different type of a question. Let's say I can say, hey, can you teach me about, let's say, um, what is Python, let's say question mark, click on enter. Now let's see if Cloudy does that. Okay, but here you can see what it has said to you. Hey, I appreciate your curiosity to learn this, but I am a maths teacher right now and I can only help you with the maths topic. So you guys are getting the concept of project clear. Okay, so this is the one project. Again, just go here. This is your project. If you want, you can just edit the details. You can mark this as a star. So always it will be at the top of the project. So if you have multiple projects, so if you want any of your project which you use frequently, you can start this as a mark. Even you can archive it, so it will not totally going to delete it, but it will store at the archive. You can recover it anytime you want, and from here you can even delete it. Okay, so for example, let's say if I want, I can just click on edit details and I can edit, save it like that. Okay, and now let's say you can create another project. Now this time I want a marketing assistant. Perfect. Now what you're trying to achieve, so you need to help me to market my course. Okay, perfect. Click on create project. Now again same thing. Now it's a marketing assistant. Now if you want, you can anytime come here, edit the details, like let's say marketing course assistant. So I can say like this. Perfect, save it. You can anytime edit it. Go to instruction again. Now you can see I have provided here the second one. You're a marketing assistant helping a beginner creator. Okay, and now here you can see I have put here this instructions which it needs to follow. I added the context, I also added the tasks. Okay, what you need to help me with is for creating the Instagram post, write email marketing content, and suggest the course ideas as well. And these are the rules I have given. Okay, run an online course website, wants to sell digital courses. Okay, so this is my information. Okay, I have given to the Cloudy. I can just click on save instructions. Perfect. Now another thing is that, let's say if I close it, I provided you another file which you can upload it. You can see this business.file. Now here I have mentioned what are the courses I have. So I have course on AI tools, digital marketing, and Python programming basics. Perfect. So let's say I can upload it. So your Cloudy will always going to consider your instructions, and let's say the file which you will going to add. It's not compulsory to add the files, but if you have some files, so you can attach that here. Okay, perfect. Hey, can you help me to write one welcome email content for each of my course? Perfect, like this. Now you can see I have not mentioned which is the course, but of course while uploading the file here I mentioned that I have two courses on AI tools, digital marketing, and Python basics. So it will automatically going to understand that. Okay, so if you just click on send button, let's wait. Perfect. You can see it will automatically read your business file, it will read your instructions, and then only it will just going to give you your response. So that's how powerful Cloudy is. So you can just play around with this Cloudy project, and you can just do a lot of things, and you can create as many as projects you want. Okay, and to be honest, you will really going to enjoy it. Let's wait. Sorry. Okay, so it's working on it, and it will reply it. Okay, sometimes it gets delayed, but perfect. You can see it has given you the response. Now as you remember that I have courses on AI tools, so it has given that for my welcome message, for my digital marketing, and for my programming. For each of these three it has given me the email content. Okay, so that's how cool it is. Okay, so now let's say if I want, so what I can do is that I can either copy it, and also what it can do is that also it can directly send this to your Gmail. So let's say if you tap on it, so it will just going to open your Gmail like this, And what it will going to do is that, like, this email will totally be added to your Gmail like this. You can see step by step, welcome your first step into coding. Then this totally content will go and copy right here. All you need to do is to just make changes here. Let's say I put it, let's say Kunal. You have to add the recipient where you want to send this email, and the website name. Perfect, that's it. And at the top you will going to see that automatically these parameters will be added. Okay, so automatically it will just go ahead and attach right inside here. So you can see that how powerful cloud is. You can even talk with third-party applications like Gmail. Okay, you can also click on this drop down, and you can also open this in an email, or you can directly send through Gmail, and it will directly embed the email to your Gmail. And all you need to do is to add the recipient, make little bit changes, and just send your email. That's how it is. So you guys are getting the concept of project clear. Now next time you want to go ahead and talk with your marketing assistant, so you don't have to always provide the details about what are the courses you have and all. It will automatically just go ahead here, and you can straightforward talk with it. And anytime if you want to edit it or add more instructions, you can just add more instructions here. You can add more files here in the future as well. So I hope you guys have got a very clear cut understanding about Cloudy projects step by step. I have shown you with the example, and I believe you will apply that example and create your Cloudy project step by step.